This is a very final Putin Vladimir. Don't get and visiting to African because African is spear of American. It's not a Europe. It's not a China. You know what? It's a friendship today to China itself because your Russia is attack to American para pigilan ng Amerika at ma-destroy at hindi sila makapasok sa Philippines at Philippines matalo ng China para maagaw ang Philippine Sea and China Sea. Papatayin ng China ang Philippine people government and Taiwan people. I'm ordered to military now the final nuclear bomb to atomic bomb targeting to Philippine City and Taiwan, China immediately. Korea, your trouble now to defense the Battle of Sea Pacific para hindi pumasok ang UK, Canada, Germany, Australia to the Philippine defense against the Battle of China in the World War III. Right now, Kim Jong-un. Because this is specific to see your boundaries in a great nation before the Japan and China is reaching country in Asian planet. So from now on, and this is a very important to order of politic odd to me, you believe the living to me is meeting and you have done because the God is able to time and to hear the world is except this moment. But this is really war is coming soon because andito tayo sa World War III. As anything, it's working. Because finish the Ukraine Russia, Palestine Hamas, and Gaza Israel whatever else countries in a NATO to ASEAN summit because you're both a writer you're going now and this on Pacific because you are next Philippines, China, America, Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, Thailand, all country and Asian country is very battle of this to protect your country and all is not a defense, it's your battle to fight about the damages in this battle because pinapapasok ng Philippines ang international current sa Asian country of Pacific Sea, dinadaanan ng Asian country boundaries to our government and this the Philippines is most allegation ever scandal the world. This is a big problem issue. It's a better just always dream the international foreign about the defense of battle of China one-on-one, but it's not is reject because just exists to me believe about the China the battle war in longer 2015 until now 2024. How to manipulate because you're old age Filipino, whatever president you're going to die. I don't strong about your naked to make a battle fight. Okay, this is click to my subscribe and notification bell in a while to my YouTube channel. This is post July 2024 and coming to 2025. But the revolution always here to my YouTube upload because I'm experiencing this bad list to my CEO in the Philippines. My Meta, Facebook, Instagram also spend it to me because this is people is control to me and government. This is access to the world about the international living and this belief. Thank you.